Guys, in this video I am going to show you the difference in ground clearance of Polo Trendline and Highline Plus. So this is Trendline in front of me, which has 14-inch tires. It has no fog lamps, and there you can see it is Highline Plus, in which there are 16-inch alloys. So let me show you the difference in the ground clearance. So this is a bottle that I am using for ground clearance test as a reference, and if I place the bottle here at the lowest point of the Polo, that is the front part below the bumper, so this is the difference. So this bottle fits exactly in between the gap. So this is the ground clearance of Polo Trendline. Okay, you can see how it is touching this plastic. Okay, now taking this bottle to this portion of the car behind the front tire, we can see that this bottle is touching this line of the plastic cladding, this upper line of the plastic cladding. There are two lines. This is the lower line and this is the upper line. So it is touching the upper line of the plastic cladding. And if I place this bottle in the rear part, okay, so you can see this is the gap that is present in the trend line. Okay, now quickly moving on to the Highline Plus. So if I place the bottle below the bumper, you can see this is the difference. Okay, so it is going below the bumper a little more inside into it. So we can say that there is a difference of about 1 or 1.5 mm difference in the ground clearance between Highline Plus and Trendline. And if I place this bottle at this place, so we can see that this bottle is touching the lower part of the cladding, not the upper part. So Trendline was touching this part and the Highline Plus is touching this part. So this much is the difference in ground clearance between Highline Plus and Trendline. And if I move to the rear section, so you can see that there is a lot more difference in the ground clearance between Trendline and Highline Plus ground clearance.